Hey everybody, the DirtCat brothers here. We're a self-funded car channel. Appreciate if everyone would give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification when a video is uploaded. So this is going to be the update for winter and everything. As you can see, nothing has been done. So I'm going to go ahead and walk around, looking at stuff, see what I need to cover, and also update everyone what the winter plans are. So I'm going to be probably posting at least 1 or 2 videos per month. I understand people aren't going to like that, but in order for me to move, Tucker's 2-door wagon and get this ready for stripping, and cutting up and all that stuff, and then moving the Invicta, Dad's Bonneville, the Razor Tail, yada yada yada, and so forth, and etc. and etc. and etc. I'm just going to dial it back and do more personal time, because there's a lot of things I got to sort out, both for the car channel, here on the property, and personal things. And as you can see, the poor frame is still there. I was going to try to get stuff onto it, but the snow happened, and things happened, and yeah, it's just a lot of stuff going on, really. So yeah, just a walk around, checking on everything, see what I need to cover up and brush off in the next couple days. So I decided, this winter we're still going to bring out some content. I want to do more shorts, but when the snow melts, I need to break down some leaves. Well, not leaves, but the weeds and stuff. I'm sorry, I am mentally exhausted from today. But I gotta get a lot of stuff positioned ready so I can do shorts from time to time, and just figure some stuff out. And it looks like this is okay. And I gotta move this. I have everything to do this. People keep asking when I work on it. It's like, well, when, I don't know. It's just when stuff aligns back up for me appropriately. But I just haven't had much time in these past 2 weeks to move everything. So like I said, 1 or 2 videos per month right now, until spring comes around, stuff warms up, and yeah, I don't know what else to really say, because I've done this sort of thing so many times. I don't know what else to really talk about, because more in full detail. That's why I'm, like I said, cutting back to at least 1 or 2 videos per month. How I'll keep up with the comment section, or comments comment section. I really need rest. I've only had like 4.5 hours of sleep, but to keep up, attention and everything. Some people have helped me locate a pillar post for the Roadrunner. I'm going to be talking with some salvage yards in January, get some things sorted out for this. So I have a list of at least 24 salvage yards and junk yards. So one of them will hopefully give me a pillar post on each side, and maybe a roof skin, because I can straighten up the skeletal structure on the other side. And yeah, I mean, it's easy fix, but who knows on who will cooperate. And plus, the front rails, I'm just going to go ahead and replace both of them. So it's going to be have to off of something. So yeah, gotta get, things organized for the Cyclone GT, which I guess I'll state right now. I think I might just modernize that. I know I want to put a 351 back into a Windsor, but there's some other engines out there that I can, make that more of a modern type of car. So yeah, other than that, I don't know what else to say other than just getting stuff done. It's going to be kind of a short video, so yeah, kind of falling underneath the bracket, so I do apologize for making this video short. Just a lot of stuff's going on, and I just gotta get everything sorted out. So I guess I'll end the video there. Again, I do apologize for making this video very short. Just a lot of stuff's going on. Nothing bad. I say that for reassurance. It's just sorting some things out, and of course the weather's getting in the way for proper content, and I can't work out much in the cold at all anymore because it actually hurts my skin over a certain degree now, even fully covered. So yeah, developing one of those kind of, I don't know what it is. The doctor said it was something against the cold over a certain degree. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, in honesty. So alrighty, please like, subscribe. I understand that people won't like that there may not be much content this coming winter, but at least I'll try to get something out. Yeah, and the truck is completely down, so I really can't travel around to look at other things that people have pointed out in the area, because there's some stuff for the 76 Roadrunner up north from some gentleman that may have those flare kits and everything off of another 76 Roadrunner that he saved. There's just a whole bunch of stuff. Even someone that may have spare doors for Tucker's 68 Barracuda, but again, I just don't have a vehicle appropriate at the moment, because the engine at 232,000 miles on Blue Gemini, the 2005 Dodge, it's done. So alrighty, I don't know what else to say. This is probably one of the crummiest videos ever made, but yeah, just updating everything, you know, and everyone. So again, do apologize. Just winter's getting in the way now, and some other stuff too. Again, nothing bad. Just gotta get stuff sorted out, and so that way I could build this channel up to what we want it to be. So alrighty, y'all have a good one now. Take care and stay safe. See you later. Thanks again for the lovely support you've shown us all this time.